Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's up guys, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Now today we're talking about the transfers. Is Asante Kotoko signing too much players? A lot of you have been calling it signing spree, and they will say they'll sign everybody. Nothing has changed. The club is still signing, mass signing and mass sacking and all that. Everybody is talking about it. I know they'll talk about it because Kotoko gives them news. Obviously, Kotoko is the biggest club in Ghana. If you don't talk about them, there's no way you will get any views when it comes to Ghana Premier League season. So that is why they use Kotoko to get views and visits on the blogs and everything. So first of all, a few days ago, it was yesterday, I actually said that Kotoko are signing too much players. Then I went and I thought about it and I realized that it could be a start of a good thing, since it's Nani Amposa's first season and he has seen the caliber and the quality of the players the club has, the one the former management purchased or acquired, and he feels that these players are not good enough for a club like Kotoko, so it's better we let them go. Players like Richard Arthur, Colin Samayo and the rest, it's better we let them go. So now I think this mass signing we are seeing right now is like a beginning of something nice, a beginning of something good that from next season I don't think Kotoko will sign mass players again. So I think this is something Nani Amposa is building. He's building a strong foundation that will make it difficult for them to sign mass players in the future, because right now, after signing, I think they've signed about 9 or 8 players already. After all this signing, next season they won't sign more players anymore. So I think this is his foundation Nani Amposa is trying to set for the club to make sure that next season they don't repeat what they are doing right now. And they've signed a few players. The latest signing is the Fabio Goma, I think, the Brazilian. When I saw, I was like, the midfielders are too much. But as well, we have 3 competitions: MTFA Cup, Ghana Premier League and African competition. So definitely a lot of players will be needed, considering the fact that Modasiri is injury prone and some other players might get injured at the course of the season. So it's better we get all the players we need. But I'm optimistic. I want to see what the final squad will look like, because it will be interesting to see what the final squad will look like, considering all the players that are coming in and the ones that will be going out. Some other players are still at the club. They are still waiting for the club to make a decision on the future. They haven't terminated a contract. Players like Richard Arthur are still at the club. The club has made it very, very well known to the player that we don't need you. We don't need you. So I don't think. I think they are currently trying to discuss how it's going to be. Should we terminate your contract and pay you off? Same thing with Martin Enchi. I just saw a news a few days ago that Martin Enchi will be leaving Kotoko. I don't know if it's going to be a permanent transfer or it's going to leave for free, or if it's going to go out on loan. Whatever it is, Kotoko are flooding players and signing new players. From what I've seen so far, I'm going to rate the signings I've seen so far 70 over 100, or 7 over 10, because Emmanuel Keke, Emmanuel Sarkodie, Latif Anabila, Yusuf Mubarak, they're all quality signings, players with experience. So I think it's going to be very, very interesting to see them play in the Ghana Premier League season. Kotoko signing a lot of players, yes, but I think it's a foundation they are laying ahead of next season. So I think the fans should cut the management some slack and judge them by what they put out on the pitch, and hopefully things come out good this season. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed or you have any question, please put them down in the comment section. I'm going to answer all of them. If you haven't subscribed, please do that right now and click the notification bell. Till next time, guys, peace out.